Okay guys, this is Jono from Silicon Dales Australia. I'm just going to do another quick tutorial this afternoon. Just something we've been doing recently, which is one of those things that's been around for a while, and all the tools have been there available for us for free, and not a lot of people use them, especially for their furthering your reach for your content marketing, and just leveraging high-powered and high DA sites that are already available to us. And surprise, surprise, what I'm going to show you today, and some of you may have already been using this regularly, but even talking to some of my high-level SEO colleagues, this is something they've only just started using recently as well. And you can use it to gain really high-quality links, drive trust and authority back to your primary site, or use it within your overall network, and just to build that leverage in your content. So the two I'm going to show you today, which you've probably used before, are Google Docs and Google Slides. A lot of people use Google Docs, but probably not in the way I'm going to show you today. And Google Slides, again, speaking to a lot of my colleagues, they haven't even thought of it. So two little methods we can use today. So if you've got an article or you're trying to promote a product or service, the first one I'll show you is Google Docs. So you can see here I'm just in my Google account at the moment, and if you just go to this little box up here, you'll see all the Google applications that are available. And see if I can find where the rest of them are. Just hang on 2 seconds. My screen is too large. Actually, I'll go to my profile. I think it's not available on that profile. Okay, so there it is. So make sure you're in the right profile, and then you'll have access to all these apps here. So you've got your calendar and your Google Drive and all that sort of stuff, and then there's more apps down the bottom. But we'll go to Google Docs, and then we can have a look at all the docs that I've already got in here. And I'll just show you a doc that I already have live as a example. So scroll on down. Some of these docs are live on, actually published online, and others are just private docs. Which one can I use? Let's just use this one here. So this is just a normal Google Doc. Just an about us page. Who are we? So this is just a bit of a test to see if it works. But you can do this for a lot of sites. So you can add in your local NAP name, address, profile in here as well, and you can see if we can put links in. You can add a link to your Google Map, and you can put in contextual anchor text as well. So once you've actually created this document, just like you would on a Word document, you need to go over here and you go publish to the web, and then you can see this one's already published, so that's why you can't actually publish it again. But every time you update a doc, it publishes it automatically. And then what it gives you this URL where the doc is. So copy that, and you can also grab an embed file, so you can embed this doc in other parts around the web. You can embed it on your website, or you can embed it on Web 2.0's. Put a link in your social media, so it's a really good way to syndicate this document out to the web. We've got some other features you can use down here. It's pretty self-explanatory. So if we just go and have a look at this doc now. Also, this is just to show you that they're actually indexed and actually do rank in Google. So you can see here, the one I've got hasn't been indexed yet. It's only new, but you can see here some of these other documents. There's one there that's actually already indexed. We'll see if we go through to document that's there. Okay, so I'll just put my URL in the browser, and we'll see. Okay, and there it's actually live. Okay, we can also have a look, check if they're followed links, which they are. So that's the default for them. I didn't log out and go incognito, or maybe we'll go incognito now. Just show you that they do actually live. And there it is there. Okay, so you can see up here, Google's got a DA of 100. If you start to use this in other networks on your Web 2.0s, social media, you start to build page authority as well. So there's Google Docs, a really good way to actually just create another powerful strategy for your content. So we'll just go back to that document. So you can add in images and logos, and you just got to make sure that you actually do publish it to the web and you make it live, and then right to go. Okay, the other one I wanted to show you was Google Slides. So let's get rid of that highlighting here. So if we go to our box again here, and you can see here, there's Google Slides there. Sometimes it doesn't actually show, but you just click on Google Slides. And it's a similar type of setup, so it brings up your dashboard, and to add a set of slides, you can just click on New, and then you can just add in slides like you would using, say, PowerPoint or something like that. So you can choose a theme, and away you go. You can add links in, you can add videos, which is really cool. You can add in images, of course, and up here, this is where you put in the title of your presentation. So whatever your topic is, or your theme, or your keyword, you can add them in here. So I'm just going to show you what I've done already. So it works a similar way as Google Docs. This is just another like a promotional slide for our business, and you can see you can add in extra slides as we go. So there you can see I've got a video in there, another video, and you can add in different parts of what you want. And again, this is on a DA site of DA 100. So you can stack your other properties in here as you wish. You obviously have to know what you're doing, but you can just put in other properties here with links to them and just drive that authority and trust to those sites, which obviously flow back to your primary site, depending on how you built it. So same thing, go to File, then go to Publish to the Web, and it's exactly the same. You end up with once it's published, you end up with a URL. Just copy that so we can look at it. And again, you can grab an embed. I love this embed feature. You can really start to drive your content out really efficiently and simply to other high-powered sites using this feature here. So that's published, so we'll go and put that in the browser. And there it is. You can have them set up so they rotate automatically, but the purpose of this really is to utilize the powerful domain authority of Google itself. There's links in here that go back to your site. You can see that link's live. You can click through. You've got videos. They'll actually play. YouTube video. And there we go. Okay, so there's two powerful strategies you can use. I'm not going to go into detail exactly how you can use them in your stacks and how and where to drive your authority and your trust, but two powerful ways you can actually utilize tools that are free right there available in front of you, and it's just a really cool way of leveraging what's already there. Okay, thanks. Hope you got something out of this. I'll see you later on.